Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be talking about MyFinder, which is a great way to be able to recognize objects that are in the room, specifically really useful for folks who are blind or visually impaired. So let's go ahead and take a look. So today I wanted to talk about an app called MyFinder. MyFinder is a great way to do object recognition in your space, and it gives you a couple of different options, and something that I think is a little unique to some of the different apps that are out there that also do similar things like Be My Eyes, Ira, those types of apps. You take a picture, you can recognize things that are in the picture. It'll give you kind of a text response, or you can call an operator or talk to a volunteer to be able to do that, to be able to tell what's in the space. But MyFinder is this blue icon in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and open it up. And this is just another app that I think is kind of interesting and maybe has a place in that particular space. And notice as we open it up, automatically you're going to start seeing different colored boxes as I move across the screen. And in those boxes, it gives me basically a recognition. It tells me that there's a chair in front of me, and that there's a laptop in front of me, that there's a desk in front of me, and so, or a big monitor. But the great thing is it's connected to voice, and so if I take my finger and I just move it across my screen,
desk,
it's going to announce it for me.
Desk, monitor TV.
Take it over here to the camera.
Camera, tripod.
Those kinds of things. And so again, by moving my finger around, it's recognizing things, it's putting boxes around those, and as my finger moves across those boxes, it's telling me what's in the front of me. This is great if you're walking into a room, you're trying to kind of orientate yourself to what's in the room, to be able to see what's there. You can kind of see that. Connected to a Bluetooth earbud, you're not going to get the loud audio announcement about what's in front of you. And so there's some real practical things that are there. I do want to move up to the top right-hand corner. If I click on the 4 boxes up here, it gives you a really great menu of different options, gives you an interactive tutorial you can walk through to get comfortable with it, those types of things. If I come back out to the app itself, it also gives me right below it, it's purple and it's kind of light, so it's kind of hard to see, but that is a way for you to be able to call somebody and talk to a volunteer, and to take up to about 1 minute, 70 seconds, it says, to connect with one of the volunteers and have them identify things for you or tell you what's in front of you. So again, it has that volunteer component where folks will get on the call and help kind of describe things that are in front of you. It also, at the very bottom, that big blue button at the bottom with kind of the circles around it, if you click on that, it's going to go ahead and try to recognize everything that's in the room and give you a text recognition. So this says it's a TV on a wall. And so that's an artificial intelligence response. So there's really no way to kind of give it any, it's going to use artificial intelligence, so it's going to make its best guess about what's there. But it's just a great way to, again, figure out what's in the room. And this, again, app is called MyFinder. Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.